YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am your host Don Juan 914, and today we're gonna show a new release of a Vomero 5, a new colorway. I think is dope. You tell me what you think once you take a look at this colorway. And also I got like a little mini haul of things that I copped over the past couple of days that I think you might be interested in. If you want to go ahead and cop, I'll tell you where I copped, and you can go check and see if it's still available, but it should be. So let's go ahead and get into it. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Over here we get into fits and kicks. If you're into that type of thing, you're in the right place. All my OG subscribers, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So let's start with the first item here. So this is a item I got from, a couple items I got from Mitchell Ness. So they did like they had a special collab with Iverson, and I went and copped a couple pieces. So let's go ahead and pull them out. Let's start with the shirt first. So here's a shirt. I thought this was a dope shirt. Mitchell Ness shirt right here. Iverson. It's fire. Got him screaming how he used to do the ear thing. Get the crowd hype. That's fire. Dope. And I like the colorway because you can wear these with, like, I'm thinking like the fragments, the Union fragments, or the Rare Air 4s or 3s, depending on, you know, how you feel that day. But that's the colorway that I'm thinking I want to rock it with, either those 3 sneaks. And you got the Mitchell Ness tag right here as well. Nothing on the back of the shirt. And this is a size, let's see here, I got a size large size. So that's the shirt. I think the shirt is dope, man. Super dope. Let's put this off to the side, and then the next item I got, which was the actual, let me put this bag down real quick, get some room. Cool. I copped this Iverson hoodie, so it just has like AI right there stitched in on the front. It has his signature as well going through the A and the I. Just throw it's dope. On the side here, you got his number. You go ahead and stretch it out. Cool. You got the number 3 right here on the left sleeve. On the right sleeve, you have right here down by the hand, you have the Mitchell Ness stitched in right there. And then let's see here on the bottom of the hoodie, let me go ahead and bring that up. On the bottom of the hoodie, you got the 76ers logo, and then you got, you know, that red and gold and black as well on the bottom of the strip. So I thought this hoodie was dope, man. Nice Iverson piece right here, and I got this in a size large as well. So the hoodie was $125 and the shirt was $60 because it's a special collab. So it may or may not be sold out, so just go check on Mitchell Ness's site and see if they are. But I know the shirt was selling out for sure. I don't know about the hoodie. I seen I seen sizes available of the hoodie, so just go on there and double check and see if it's still available. So we got that portion out the way. Let's go over the 2819 merch that I got. If you don't know, 2819 is a church down in Atlanta. The lead pastor is Philip Anthony Mitchell. So if you go to their Instagram page, you'll see who they are. You know, it's a church that's been growing rapidly. And you know, Philip Anthony Mitchell, man, he just be preaching the word straight from the scriptures, man. And so, you know, that's the church that I kind of belong to. I'm a digital disciple, if you will. And I decided to cop some merch. They have special merch going on Easter Sunday with a collab with Raina. And I decided to go ahead and cop. So you got some writing on the back of the package. The packaging is fire, man. So it's for the kingdom until all have heard. Let's go ahead and take it out. And then they got it double packaged up. All right, that's fire. Gotta love that. Definitely taking care of the packages. That just gives you a premium feel. All right, cool. So they got a card right here. So you can, you know, if you can see that, hopefully it's coming in, you can stop, pause that and read that. Then it has for the kingdom until all have heard, Reina 28:19. That's the collab this one is. Yeah, this is dope, man. We pray the peace meets you with purpose. Nice. So I'll read that later on. But yeah, it's a nice little touch. So it's a hoodie. The quality on this nice too, man. You already know you're getting when you get these pieces with your hoodie, this little I don't know what this is, like little salt pack I call it, and you know, little tissue on the back, you know you're getting a quality hoodie. So on the front it has 28:19 until all have heard, right there on the bottom. Let's see here. On the back you have, on the back of the hoodie you have right there on the bottom, fear God. This is fire, man. Let me see if there's anything on the sleeve. Nothing on the sleeves or anything like that, but this is a nice quality, very heavy quality hoodie. I know we're starting to get into spring and summer, but you still have cold nights, so I can, you know, rock this. But yeah, this is the hoodie, man. It's dope. And then, oh, on the back here, on the bottom back, it has a leather piece with 28:19 as well. So if you go to their website, 28:19 Church, go to their merch section. They may still have, you know, these hoodies available, but if not, you know, just stay tuned. Their merch is always nice. Everything I get from them is very nice. You also get a nice hang tag here, silver hang tag with the 28:19 as well. Cool. So let's go ahead and hop into the next item before we get into the kicks. All right, so me and my son went to King of Prussia Mall earlier this week. Got a couple things from DTLR Villa. Got this pair of cargo pants here. Legacy Edition. Who is this from? Legacy, Jordan Craig Legacy Edition. So I decided to go ahead and just grab this right here, and I like it because it has like the distress right there on the bottoms right there, and then also on the back pockets you see the distress. On the front right here, and on the front you see the distress as well. And I just like the colorway, that green, that brown, and that tan. And I didn't have a pair of shorts like this, so I wanted to get a pair of these to kind of rock with my like Travis Scott's, my Jordan 1 High brown Travis Scott's, or the Jumpman Jacks, the brown and tan pair. A couple other Air Maxes I have in this colorway too, so definitely needed a pair of these shorts. These shorts were $58, so it was at DTLR Villa in King of Prussia Mall. Yeah, Jordan Craig Legacy. I thought these were dope, definitely. So that's enough of the clothing pieces. Now let's get into the kicks. Cool. So I copped this pair from the Nike store in King of Prussia Mall. I did check this morning, and they do have pairs now available on Foot Locker and Champs. When I got there, she said this pair had just came out. And if you know anything about Vomero, Nike Zoom Vomero 5s, they are one of the most comfortable Nike shoes ever made, in my opinion. And I just love the way they look, the aesthetics and things of that nature. So how they come, you know, you get your standard red Nike box. Here's the sizing label right here. And it does read Nike Zoom Vomero 5, Court Blue Metalic Silver. I went with a size 10. I always wear a size 10 in my Vomeros. That is my true to size pretty much on low tops, Jordan 1s, things of that nature. So flip the lid, you only get one sheet of paper, and then you flip the box and there's the shoes. Yeah, these pop, man. Again, and this blue is a Court Blue, so it's very unique. There are like pieces on Nike that I've seen and on Foot Locker and Champs that can match with the shoe. So it is a different blue. It's not like a royal. It's almost like a diffused blue, but it's more vibrant, if that explains it. But yeah, here's the shoe, man. Tell me what you think. These are nice, man. So let's go ahead and just hop right into the review. I don't want to waste no time with this, man. This I'm eager to put these on feet to see how they look, but let's go over. So the outsole, you know, you got that Court Blue outsole with the white going through. Very nice traction, man. And again, if you ever had a pair of Vomeros, you know how comfortable these shoes are. They're pretty much primarily made for running or walking and activities, but this is a nice silhouette, man. And I just love the way it looks. The shape and everything is just dope. So as we move up to the midsole, you got a white midsole, and you got hits of that Court Blue. Again, on the upper, you got the Court Blue. You got the hits of the metallic silver as well. White laces going down the front. Doesn't come with extra laces. You got Nike Vomero 5 on the tongue right here in white and blue. pull this out here. Does come with shoe paper. And you can see on the toe box, it's not really, this is like a mesh shoe. So you can see the mesh material right here on the toe box is very flexible, and it's made for breathability and flexibility and comfort as well. So the toe box on here, I would say the medial side and the toe box is my favorite part of this shoe. I just love the way the toe box is shaped. You don't have to worry about any creasing or anything like that with this pair. So they're super comfortable, super breathable. And yeah, it's just an overall dope shoe, and it's very light. And you can see right here it has a cushion on, and it has this Nike Zoom right there on the midsole. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's right here on the midsole, just to tell you what type of unit that's in the shoe. And I love on the toe box, another part is that these different lines right here that separate like the toe box. I thought that was dope, man. Those silver hits, and that silver, you know, like the metallic silver Nike swoosh, and it going down the front of the toe box at the beginning of the laces right here. It makes the shoe pop, man. And I was a little leery at first about it. I was like, man, is that a lot of shine? Like, is that too much? But then once you put them on feet, once you see them on feet and see how they look, fire. Definitely fire. I posted these and everybody was like, yo, those are dope. Where are they? Where did you get those from? So on the back, you got the 3M. This is also 3M on the back right here as well. And also these little lines on the front of the toe box are 3M hits. On the back, you got that plastic caging, again, for breathability and durability as well. On the top of the heel, you got that metallic going around the top of the heel with a blue Court Blue Nike sign. Let's see here. Oh, and where your ankle, around the ankle right here, this is all mesh material. So very comfortable. Like I said, everything about this shoe, this breathes comfort and you know, durability. And let's see, in the inside, you got the picture of Iverson. And this is the Iverson series. It was a former Nike employee or exec or creator right there. And the inside, the insole with the Court Blue insole. On the back of the tongue, you do have the size tag on the back of the tongue. Yeah, so that's the review pretty much. You got that metallic silver going all along the eyelets of the shoe where the laces are. And it's just a dope shoe. So my two favorite parts of the shoe, again, is the toe box and the medial side of the shoe. I just love the way that looks. Nothing different on the right shoe versus the left shoe. Same, nothing different. And then you got this strip right here. This is also 3M. This strip right here of metallic silver and white going right down the front of the laces. That's also in 3M as well. So that's the review. Tell me what you think about the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Court Blue Metallic Silver. You think this is a cop? You like this colorway? Is this one of the better colorways out of the silhouette? And you know, let me know how you feel about this colorway and pair in the comment section down below. For me, these are definitely a go. And yeah, I want to go ahead and throw these on feet to show you guys how they look, and then you can make your decision if you want to cop or not. These are retailing for $170. This colorway, I don't know, it kind of popped. So everyone I showed this pair, they were like, yeah, I definitely need to go ahead and cop these. So I don't know if they'll sit around. They're going for $170, but if I was you, go to the store, try them on, see them in hand, see how they feel, how they look, and then make your decision. But for me, yeah, these are definitely a go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this on feet. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate all the support. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one. I know. The way I'm dipping, steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done. I'm done one, done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone, gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done one.